Hello everybody and welcome to the first video of my channel for the brand new year of 2023. Happy New Year everyone. Now, I would like to start right off the bat by giving a shout out to Brandon F, Brandon F, and without him posting his videos, I would have not actually bought one of these sponsored products that he is sponsored under. And I would like to give a great shout out to him because without him, I would not have been able to publish my books without his grand knowledge and historical, yet, how would you say it? His historical slander about certain movies, especially all the small and minor details that many filmmakers and military historians of our time seem to forget, or they over dramatize, or they just flat out lie, especially the Patriot. But we're not here to talk about that today. But I do want to give a massive shout out to him because without him, I would not have been willing to buy one of these. I honestly have not even heard of this company before, EKSTER. I've honestly never heard of it, and before you go off and say that, I've already unboxed this and everything. I already know what it is. But to all who don't know, this is a EKSTER style product wallet. So we are going to open this thing up right now. All right, the big unopening. Da 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 da. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. But it also says right here, thank you for choosing us to improve your everyday carry. Huh, I like that. Okay, here we go. Here we are right here, folks. And so let's open my wallet up a little bit, and I already have it all decked out, you see. But here's the most amazing thing about this wallet. Right here. Whoa, wait a minute. What is this? How did this get in here? I didn't put this in here. Ah, yes. The Foregone War, the story of the brave Keystone Grenadiers by Nathan Smithrow, which can be found available at iUniverse.com or any other where books are sold. Don't know why my hands are shaking there. So this book can be purchased at your local bookstore, can be read at your local library. It can be found at Walmart, Amazon, iUniverse, Barnes & Nobles, wherever they sell books. For $28.99 paperback and $3.99 ebook. So this is the coolest thing about this wallet, is that if you need your cards, all you need to do is press this little button right down here, and you can grab your cards. I had no idea that these EKSTER producing company was actually a big fan of the Foregone War. Just kidding. But yeah, holding this wallet, it actually feels quite nice. I really do like it. And Brandon, thank you for your code that you gave out for 40% off. I am very greatly appreciative of that. Yeah, so I mean, this was my original wallet. I might use it. I might go switching from time to time or something, especially since I have my cards and everything. But yeah, this is really cool. And I really can't wait to actually get out there and use this. So I'm on my tripod here. So I'm really looking forward to using this. And again, I'll put a video link in the description for Brandon's videos and where you can follow him on his YouTube channel. Because we historians have to stick out for one another. We have to stand together. And he really inspires me, as I have inspired him to become a book writer as well. I might have said too much. I'm sorry. He has told me that through direct messaging that he wants to publish a book. He has his own ideas, but I will not say it because obviously he hasn't even told me about them either. But yeah. So that's all I have to say for today. It's a short video, but I do have more videos coming out real soon, and especially what I actually can say is that I do plan to attend the School of the Soldier for His Majesty's 43rd Regiment of Foot this year. which I will try to do some GoPro footage, and I will also put a link in the description below where you can enlist in the 2nd Pennsylvania 43rd Regiment of Foot, because we're always looking for new recruits. Last year we had a massive turnout, especially at Brandywine Creek of 2022. That was honestly like the Super Bowl of reenactments. And I would also like to say that the 245th anniversary of Monmouth Courthouse is going to be happening this year, and I have yet to go to Monmouth Courthouse, and I'm really looking forward to that. But from what all the other veterans have told me in the regiment, that, yeah, it's going to be hot as, yeah, going to be real hot, just like the real battle itself. It always is. So I'm going to be sweating to death, but it'll be for you guys. So that's all I have to say for this video, and I'm going to give another shout out to Brandon F for his videos, and where you can find all of his content, where he gives historical information about the British Army and 18th century warfare, and 19th century warfare for all is concerned, and his historical slander to major movies like The Patriot and The Revolution. But he does good. He does good with his videos. I'll give him that. He's doing something I really can't do. I don't have the time for it. So, yeah. So, if y'all want to follow me on TikTok, it would be Raider Actual. If you want to follow me on Instagram, same thing. Facebook, you want to follow me on Facebook, it's at Nathan S. And my YouTube channel is NS as well. So, if y'all want to stay tuned with more content that I'll be posting this year, feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and most importantly, subscribe. So, yeah. I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope to meet y'all at Monmouth Courthouse this year. This is Raider Actual, NS, Nathan S., and I will see you all later. Hi, Candy. Hi, Peppy.